When you're connecting the SwingMax to the tractor, a couple of key things we need to know. To connect the 3-point hitch to the SwingMax, pretty straightforward there. Got a quick connect on this tractor. That makes life very easy. You leave your pins in the SwingMax, back up, lift up, and it clicks onto your pins. Whether we're category 2 or category 3, whatever you have on your tractor, we can accommodate that with the mounts at the bottom and the different pin locations at the top link. PTO connection, very straightforward. Comment there is it is a 1000 RPM, and we can do large 1000 or regular size 1000 to accommodate your tractor. One note to make on the 3-point hitch arms on a tractor, very important that they are rigid. So on a lot of John Deere's you'll see spacer blocks in between the frame of the tractor and the 3-point hitch arms. Mostly every other model of tractor there are turnbuckles that you adjust the length, and that locks this 3-point hitch rock solid. Reason for that, when you have the SwingMax connected, you drop the 3-point hitch arm and leave it in float. There's wheels on the dolly that take the weight, and we don't want that swaying all over the road. So 3-point hitch has to be rigid to the tractor. Couple things about hydraulic and electrical connections on a SwingMax. We need one set of remotes, and we will want to set that at constant flow. And that will power our steering of the rear axle. It'll power our outlets, our remote outlets for our pickup lifts and swings on the balers. And that's all controlled through the cab control inside the tractor. Next thing we've got is a small gray wire. The plug is different on the 3200s, but nonetheless, that connects our LiDAR cameras and our video cameras to the cab display. The cab display will get power from the cab to turn on, but that is the one communication cable between the cameras on the arm and the tractor monitor. You'll notice this very large power cable. Comes with a disconnect for easy on-off connection. That's very critical that it goes directly to the battery posts, bolted on. It comes with a, I think, 150 amp fuse just for safety, and that powers all of our valves, baler fans, anything electrical on the arm. So the light plug on the SwingMax, standard ag light plug, plugs right into the tractor, straightforward. If you're wanting a European hookup for a European style tractor, specify that and we can definitely run that light plug adapter for you. So we're going to connect the SwingMax to the tractor battery. A couple things to know on that. White is hot or positive, and it comes with a 150 amp fuse, and it is very important that we wire these directly to the battery terminals of a tractor. They come with the ends soldered onto the wire, so you just have to pull a nut off the terminal, put the wire on, tighten it up. Same with the ground, which is black on the ground terminal post of the battery. On a SwingMax pulling inline balers, the LiDAR sensor and camera is located right beneath the arm in the middle of the rear axle, looking forward. Every so often a message will come up on the display instructing you to clean the lenses. So just take a rag or compressed air and wipe down the lenses. The camera up here is for a live view of the windrow for what the LiDAR is seeing, and this yellow sensor here is the LiDAR that actually steers the SwingMax when it sees a change in the windrow.